Hello and welcome to the channel.
You are welcome to this channel. This is Learn English with Shaukat Ansari and I am Dr. Muhammad Shaukat Ansari. At the outset, I wish to quote our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji. He says, live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. This is a brilliant and illuminating quote from Mahatma Gandhi ji. Now, I wish to come to this copious and edifying teaching video that features the uses of do. I mean do, did, does, doing, done. And the basic verb is do, where do is used in sentences. First, do is a general word for saying about actions, for speaking of actions. For example, what are you doing this evening? Shall I open the window? No, it's okay, I'll do it. Julia's job is very boring. She does the same thing every day. My friend Ahmad did a lot of things yesterday. What does he do? He works in a bank. Through these examples, I would like to focus on the use of do for actions. If you talk about any action that's going to take place, you can use do. Second, do is used to emphasize an action, an idea. Do is employed in sentences to say an idea through emphasis. For example, I do know how to drive a car. Do know, it means you are laying emphasis. You are stressing here. Next is we do feel the complexity of actions. Third, do is used to make questions. Do is used in sentences to frame questions. Do you know how to drive a car? Do you know me? Does he feel in the same fashion? Fourth, do is employed to frame negative sentences. For example, I don't know how to drive a car. She doesn't know how to play tennis. She doesn't know how to speak French fluently. We use do or does or did or doing, I mean the basic verb do, for denoting other expressions such as do is taken in use to say about an exam or a test or a course or a homework. For example, he is doing his driving test next week. He is doing his driving test next week. Joseph has done a training course. Joseph has done a training course in building construction. You can say, are the children doing their homework? Are the children doing their homework? Also, we employ do in sentences to speak of a favor to somebody. Sir, could you do me a favor? Sir, could you do me a favor? Sir, could you do me an assistance? Like this. Next, do is used to say about exercises. Doctor has, for example, doctor has suggested him to do exercises every morning. Doctor has suggested him to do exercises every morning. Also we use do in order to say about housework, the shopping, the washing, the cooking. Instances in sentences as references. I hate doing housework, especially cleaning. I hate doing housework, especially cleaning. I didn't do the shopping because I was in haste. I didn't do the shopping because I was in haste. He wants to do the cooking. My dear good learners, the motto behind my each video is to make you comfortable, smart and skilled in general uses of English. And my purpose is to cover the average and simple learners of English. My dear lovers of English, I hope that you will be enjoying all the videos already uploaded on this channel, Learn English with Shaukat Ansari. And I must tell you that my all videos are inclusive and accessible for all of you. And finally, I would like to ask you to subscribe to this channel to make my efforts useful and fruitful. Kindly promote and circulate this channel among other learners of English, other lovers of English, other students of English. And also I wish to request to my teaching fraternity to promote this channel.